The next song is for all the girls, right? It's for you?
Yes.
I'm so sad. This song is for all the girls only, you know? The guys, how? Why? Because this song is written by a to reject guys. okay, it's a song called Mr. You. You hear the lyrics. I think it's displayed behind. Okay, so it's the song to reject us. Yeah.
I better not sing wrong.
Ready?
Hey, Mr. You, have you ever wondered why I'm always busy when you try to get me out for a ride? Hey, Mr. You, have you ever understood why I'm always trying to get myself out of your sight? It's turning ugly eyes, I'm being the taste eyes. When I tell you we're impossible, you're delirious and you think I'm through it alone. It's turning ugly eyes, there is me but there's no eyes. Wake up today, you have a place in my heart. Hey, Mr. You, when I smile at the guys, but never at you. Can't you look at the signs? Mr. You, have you ever thought it through? The world has countless wishes and I'll be your yesterday's day. Isn't it obvious? I'm the invitations. When I tell you we're impossible,
the guy cannot lose, right? Never mind, now I got one task for all the guys here. You know, today is someone's birthday here. Who is Doris? We got request